On September 24th of 2024, a warning for a hurricane was issued to make landfall in Florida. During its landfall, it was a Category 1 hurricane, but quickly escalated into a Category 4 storm with wind speeds of 100 to 130 miles per hour. On September 26th, it made impact and began moving further inland. Within 3 hours, it hit North Carolina with heavy rainfall, causing flash floods and landslides. This was the worst storm to hit North Carolina in modern history. Because the storm was unprecedented, locals were completely unprepared. More than 185,000 homes and businesses were destroyed because of the storm. The hurricane caused 106 deaths, with 26 people still missing. Residents lost power, communication, and access to reach out for food and medical help. After the hurricane passed, community began to mobilize. One of the many organizations who reached out to help was Just for Him Ministry. They had an idea for a solution to help with the housing crisis. We spoke to Pastor Ken McPhee about his plan and how he brought it into action.
Actually, a crazy story. When we came down on October 8th and we slept in tents and just helped out with food and resources in the Swannanoa and the Black Mountain area. And while we were there, we were kind of just trying to find places that needed assistance. And I called Habitat for Humanity here in Rutherford, and a gentleman by the name of Philip answered, and Philip Dietrich answered, and he said, we'd love to have you come help us. And so we were kind of like, okay. And the next thing you know, we just started having this conversation, and then before you know it, it just grew into this amazing relationship where we just are here to help and work side by side with them. So there's all kinds of different ways to be involved. We have the tiny homes, which you see that is mostly what people are talking about right now, the tiny homes, which we're building to send out and help families with. So these homes were designed through the FEMA criteria. FEMA has a criteria that has to be certain ways. Everything has to be by code. And so we created these to give to families that don't have a place to go, don't have a place to live. We're working on several different ways, because what you see is you have the people that have the property that you can put them on. And these facilities here, these homes here, they have bathrooms in them, they have a small kitchenette, and they have a sleeping area. And they're very small, but it's just to get them off the ground and into a place that's secure. And some people, like I said, don't have homes, don't have property. So we're working on another initiative where we can find locations where they can actually go to, and they'll be able to stay in these homes free of charge until they get back on their feet. We're always needing help here, getting them finished and getting them to the families. We also are working on, last week we did, the last 3 weeks we've done 3 roofs, 2 in Chimney Rock and 1 here locally. We also put a road through Chimney Rock and got people finally to their homes who haven't been in their homes all the way to today. We put a road through the side of a hill, and now they can get access to their homes. There's so many different areas. We're doing tree removal still. We're involved in just anything that comes to us that is disaster related or storm related or whatever it is. We're just going out and we're doing as much as we can with who we have. We've been on the ground since October 8th, and we've seen the good and the bad. 2 families side by side in Mill Springs where their home literally had 8 foot of water inside their home, and there was nothing left, no help, no aid, no support in any which way. And we actually were praying where we go next, and of course the Lord sent us to those families, and today they have 2 brand new homes. And it didn't cost them a dime. Everybody chipped in, the community chipped in, paid for everything, and now they're actually resting in their new homes. And we've got like 3 or 4 homes in the wait for us right now as well. We're working on, we've got 3 or 4 houses that need new roofs, and there's just so much work. But the great thing is it's just not locally here. We've got teams coming in from Pennsylvania, we got teams coming in from New Jersey, we got teams coming in on a regular basis every week, 15 to 20 guys coming in every week from all over the country, coming to help get everyone back to normal. We can't even brag enough about what's going on in the community here. I mean, the facility here, Manual Woodworking, they, man, just opened up their parking lot, said, here, use it. We love what you're doing. We love to be part of it. And whenever we need something, they just jump in to help. You know, the community, local community, ladies continually bring food to the teams that are coming in, and they make food and they bring food and they take care of all the needs in that thing. Supplies, I mean, just everything just coming together from all over the community. Restaurants showing up and saying, hey, we decided we want to make you dinner today, right? And you don't think that matters, but it really does. And when you're away from home, first and foremost, you know, some of us haven't been home, but maybe 3.5 weeks since the storm, you know, you know, it's just, we're just here to love and just here to help and just here to be part of making someone's life better and helping somebody, again, get back to normal.